Hello, this is Mark Sabatella from Outside Shore Music, home of Mastering MuseScore. In this week's tip, I want to show you the orchestral template. Actually, there's 3 different templates in MuseScore Studio, so you can A, see how the templates work, and B, see the difference between these 3 templates. So when you go to create a new score, you'll see that you have the option of choosing instruments or creating from template. If you choose the template option, you'll see the categories here, and let's flip over to orchestral, and you'll see there's 3 different templates here. Let's start with the one that says classical orchestra. If I select that one, we'll come up with a score that is kind of patterned after, say, Haydn, early Haydn symphonies and so forth. It's a relatively small orchestra. It just has one staff for flutes, one for oboe, one for clarinet, one for bassoon. It's got some horns and trumpets and no other brass, and timpani is the only percussion, and then it's got the usual complement of strings. So that is the classical orchestra. If I now use Control N to create a new score, and let's go back and take a look at that list of templates again. Again, I'll choose orchestral. We'll see there's a string orchestra and symphony. Let's do the string one first. This is quite straightforward. Here it's literally just the strings. 2 violins, violas, cellos, and basses. That's it. And then finally, we have the full version of the orchestra, which is listed as symphony orchestra. If you choose this option, well, you can see we're going to end up with an awful lot of staves, and what it has is actually 2 staves for flute, so you can have flute 1 and flute 2 on separate staves, 2 staves for oboe, 2 for clarinet, 2 for bassoon. We see we've got horns, we've got trumpets, we've also got 2 staves for trombones and a staff for tuba. In addition to the timpani, we have 3 unpitched percussion instruments, and we have a harp. And we have the strings. So that is the symphony orchestra. It's meant to resemble, say, the orchestra as it is at the dawn of the Romantic era. And this is one that you can use for creating larger scale works. And you can always add instruments to any of these templates or remove instruments by coming over here to the layout panel and either adding or selecting something and removing it. So you can pick whichever template gets closest to what you want and then customize from there.